In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the side rear view mirror on this Nissan Frontier. This is the manual mirror, so no wires are attached to this. Sits right on the outside of the door. Let's get started. To gain access to the mounting hardware, we need to remove this panel that covers the hardware, which sits right about here. There are 3 push clips to pop out on this. Using a trim tool, I'll pop out the 2 that sit right about in the center of this panel. So pry the center of it out and then remove the rest of it. We'll do the same to this one. And there's one all the way at the bottom of the panel. Now with the help of a plastic trim tool, I'm going to pry this panel away. This exposes our 3 10mm headed mounting nuts that hold this mirror onto the door. We'll remove all of them and then pull the mirror off. On the last one, support the mirror so it doesn't fall. Take the mirror and slide it right off. Once you're ready to reinstall, take the new mirror, line it up, and make sure it goes flush with the body. If it doesn't, that means not all 3 of the studs have poked through. Hold it on and try to thread the mounting nuts on. Once you get the first one started, you can let go and then put the other 2 on. To tighten the mirror, I prefer to do this by hand, even though I have a power tool, and that is so I can feel how tight these are. You want them all to be about the same. You want that gasket to squish up against the door. After they bottom out and you feel that they're starting to get snug, about 1/8 to 1/4 turn is plenty to make sure that it's sealed up and, of course, tight on the door. Take this trim piece, line it up with all its push clips, press it in. It should somewhat lock into place before you install the exterior push clips, and then put in the 3 clips that lock it in from the outside. And there you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.